Listen, listen everyone. Let's stop here for a moment. The forest ahead is even thicker, so please stay together. If we stay united, it won't feel that scary.
Yeah, I get that. But still, one thing's feel nice here. At least there's no traffic noise here, no city rush here.
Exactly. Look at us humans. We have only used the nature for our own benefit. Oh God, Megha. Not again. Can you not fight right now? Look, we are here. So let us out. Enjoy a little. Feel the silence. That's true. We live with so much noise in the city. That silence feels strange. Exactly, ma'am clearly said. Come out of noise and listen to the nature. If we don't do this today, tomorrow only record will remain. No real collapse. You know, even breathing feels different here. Like my lungs are actually working.
See ya, that's the real difference. Pollution, population and technology made cities fast, but took away peace, like Delhi.
Please, don't remind me of Delhi. Yesterday, the AQI was above 400. Breathing becomes a problem there. It's not only Delhi. Mumbai, Kanpur, Ahmedabad, Surat, same situation everywhere. Industries help cities to grow, but destroy nature. You are absolutely correct, Navya. Factories increased, then expanded, cities spread. But forests slowly disappeared. You know, even the Aravali forest are here now. Maybe that's why this jungle feels angry. Come on, let's set up a camp here. Guys, I don't feel good here.
Relax, guys. Okay, don't panic.
I am also not feeling well here. I am leaving. I didn't come here to be a part of a horror story. Stop, Megha! Running won't help. We have to face things. And only we need to adopt few good habits that gives us superpower. No need to go anywhere. Stay here only. Or maybe a warning. I have an idea. Why don't we go there and record the sound?
Okay, but who will go?
I will handle the recorder. If it's industrial noise, we will know the difference clearly. And I will analyze the sound pattern and find the data. I will go. I want to take photographs.
Alright, Megha, Rohan and Kavya, you'll go deeper into the forest and be careful. Mission 2.1.
Wow! Only the three of us on this mission? Yes! Let's do it!
Bye.
Bye-bye! All the best! Take
Bye.
care.
All the best.
All the best! Ta-ta.
Hello, hello.
We all know industries are moving from cities towards town. This sound could be a sign of that change. I don't know. Something feels wrong.